Welcome to Little Lefty. Hello everyone. Today, let us draw a monkey. M for monkey. Did you know, like humans, some old world monkeys have sums that they can use to pick up and handle things. Monkeys are clever, social animals. They are known for running and leaping through trees with ease. Like apes and humans, monkeys belong to the group of mammals called primates. Monkeys look somewhat like apes such as chimpanzees, orangutans, and gorillas. But monkeys differ from apes in several ways. For instance, every monkey has tail, even if it is just a tiny nub. Apes do not have tails. Monkeys also generally have narrower chests than apes do. Most monkeys live mainly in trees and rainforests. Monkeys use all four limbs to walk around. Their hands or feet are good for grasping tree branches. Most monkey species are active mostly during the day. The owl monkeys are active at night. They are also called night monkeys. Most monkeys eat mainly plants. Different types eat fruit, flowers, seeds, shoots, roots, and leaves. Some type of monkeys also eat birds' eggs, insects, and other small animals. The period of pregnancy in monkeys ranges from 5 months to more than 7 months. In most species, the female usually has one baby at a time. Monkeys depend heavily on their parents for care during their early life. In most types, the young monkeys become adults at about 3 to 4 years of age. Many types of monkeys are endangered or at risk of dying out completely. Hope you learned something.